Hello lovers, guys, today we are going to make moimoi, guys. So before making moimoi, we have to soak the beans so that we can wash it. So let me take the quantity that I want, guys. This beans is very hard to wash it. Yes. I will try my best to wash it a little. This is okay. I will wash it a little. So before using it, I have to soak it, guys. So I have to soak it. So I'm pouring water inside. We leave it for like 20 minutes before washing it. No need to cover, the water is much. It's time to wash the beans. Take a look at the beans, guys. It's alright. So this is how I wash it, guys. I will put the beans here to peel it. I will do it like this. So guys, this one is looking like this. That's all inside the rubber. I'll take another one. So I'm going to cook this thing today. I have to be fast. So guys, this is the second one. Also do it like this. White here. I will add water to filter the sharp product. I'm done washing it like this. I'm going to use it like this, guys. So it's time to grind it. Before grinding it, I'm not using the water. So I have to wash it. Let me wash the fish. Add salt, a little bit of salt and 1 star Maggi. So shake it together. So I'll cover it to cook, guys. I'll put it for 5. We have onions and pepper here, so we are going to blend them together, guys. So in this blender that I have, I will add water to it so that it can blend. So I'm going to blend it, guys. Okay guys, so I'm done blending this. I'll pour it here, as you can see. So I'll use water to blend it. So we'll add another one. Put everything in. 2 star Maggi and add it inside, guys. Put water so that it can blend well. Okay guys, this is the second one. Pour it inside. This is how we blend it all. Okay, this is the last. So we are done blending it, guys. So we want to remove the fish from the water so that we can deboil the fish. We have to deboil the fish. And this water, I want to boil it again so that it will help. Here's the moimoi. Here's the beans. We add salt. Not too much salt, so that the salt will not be too much. I've already put Maggi. I've blended Maggi together, so I will mix it together like this, so that the salt will not be too much. Boiling water, the one I used to cook the fish. This is the water I used to boil the fish, guys. I add it and mix it together. So that if you want to mix it, everything will be easy for you. So I'll add the groundnut oil. You can use the quantity of oil when you want. This is okay. So I will mix it also. Okay guys, I'm done mixing it. I dey like put my fish inside, so I will turn the fish inside, mix it together. This is how I do it. So I dey like make everything marry themselves very well. So guys, we are done mixing it. I use oil to rub this plate I want to use. So it's time for me to serve it inside. And put it for oven to cook. So we add water on that. So I'm going to drop it for oven. See you all later, guys. Hello lovers, take a look. Our mama is ready, guys. So we are going to be opening one to check it, guys. Just take a look. Our moimoi. Wow, it's ready. Mama is ready, guys. So this is how you can make your moimoi so simple and easy. Just take a look now. Like and share this video, guys. Love you all.